In this video, I will show you how to deposit TON in Telegram Wallet. To do this, just go and open up Telegram Wallet and search for wallet and just make sure you have your wallet open. Now once you're in your wallet, what you then want to go and do is just go to more assets in the bottom, and from here you can find Toncoin, so just click Toncoin, and then from here you want to go and click on receive. Once you click on receive, you will then get your wallet address that you can use to deposit TON into your Telegram wallet. Now that works if you already have TON in a different wallet that you want to transfer to your Telegram wallet. However, if you just want to buy some using your fiat currency, then you want to click add crypto, and then you can buy it with Apple Pay, for example. Now there is another option. You can create a TON space, which can be done by going to your wallet and then in the top left click on settings, then at the top just go and enable or toggle on TON space, and then go back to the home screen here and click on it. Then from here you can also click deposit, and then from here you will also get your wallet address for TON, and that way you can also deposit TON even if you, for example, don't have access to Telegram wallet because it is restricted to certain countries. So now you know how to deposit TON in Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.